सीरीज देखी है? मैं बात नहीं कर सकता आपसे, आपने सीरीज ही नहीं देखी है।
Because I feared that it would provoke another wave of Islamophobia.
Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a round of applause once again for our dear friends? And as you know, guys, we, of course, I'd like to start off. A lot of questions will be coming in from their side also. But I'd like to actually start with Sarita and Sanjay, both of you. The response has been phenomenal. And of course, on the 29th of August, the journey from a book to a series finally happened. And within just a few days, kuch hi dinon ke andar, the response is mind-blowing. I mean, how do you feel about that? Did you know that this is what's going to happen within the first week of the release? Sarita.
We are elated by the love and the appreciation we are getting on IC 814. It's a personal story which we've been working for the last 5 years. I come from a family of aviators, and it was important to tell a story of courage and resilience and what goes on in that aircraft, and that's what we did. And of course, when you have someone like Anubhav Sinha leading it, this is what you get.
True that. I completely agree. And Anubhav sir, within the first week, the kind of response that you're getting, it's absolutely phenomenal. I mean, you've actually taken reactions from everyone within the industry also. Audience reaction bhi aap tak pahuncha hai. Did you actually believe that this is what's going to be such an instant response?
No, yeah, when you release something, you're hoping that people like it.
Yeah.
And, it'll be too pompous to imagine that something like this will happen, this kind of response. But as it pours in, it is overwhelming. It makes you feel smaller, actually. The amount of love that has been offered to us so far is outstanding. And I'm absolutely grateful. Can I just stand up and thank all these people?
Please do, sir. Please do. And this absolutely...
Pankaj bhai, Nasir bhai, aap sab log. Thank you. Thank you for doing this.
Wonderful. And Trishant, can I just shake your hand? Grip to bahut tight hai. Ye gripping screenplays yahin se nikal ke aate hai. What have you been doing, Trishant, from Jamtara to now this particular series? I think it's one of the most gripping tales that I've viewed, and clearly the skill set to write such a series is something that not everybody possesses. How did you develop that?
Thank you. I would rather give it to the amount of research that we did on the show. I mean, writing screenplays is possibly the last step.
Nice.
But there is so much that
Very humble of you, sir.
Before that. So the research, the meetings, the meeting everybody, and then sort of trying to crack a story. So
True.
It was a whole process that took 5 years.
No, it is. I'm going to come back to you and ask you about how many different layers, kitne sare tracks chal rahe the, and to be able to bring them all together is absolutely remarkable. So well done on that. 99, is everybody over here who was around during 1999? Koi 2000 plus ki paidaish ho to pata nahi, but I'm sure most of us are old enough over here who were there when it was happening. Nasir Saab, I was in 99 when this incident was happening. मैं इसी होटल में bellboy था. I mean, Taj Residency एक होटल के अंदर, and मेरा काम था newspapers बांटना लोगों के rooms के नीचे, one of those things. And I remember that morning, that newspaper, the headlines and the entire country and everybody was completely engrossed in it. Do you remember 99 when this incident was happening, when you were doing this series? Did it come to you from memory? Because you've seen a lot, and did that actual incident play in your head?
I can't say that I was about 50
Sir.
when this happened, end of the previous century. I remember being extremely disturbed because I feared that it would provoke another wave of Islamophobia. And luckily, at that time, it didn't. But I remember feeling terribly concerned about the situation and what it would lead to. And there was a feeling of ambivalence at the end when the whole crisis was resolved. Because I was left with a feeling of unease when the deal was struck. I could not pinpoint why I feel this, but I did feel that the passengers and the pilot had been through an absolutely horrifying time, and this was no closure. This is what I remember feeling. While playing it, of course, I've never been in a crisis management meeting or anywhere near any of these things. But what appealed to me was the thought of playing with all these wonderful actors. It just seemed like being in heaven to be with 7, 8 actors who you love and admire. I can't think of any happier situation than that. So I don't think I recalled any of what I felt at that time.
But heavenly for us also, sir, to see all of you together. Thank you for actually deciding to do this. Pankaj sir, thank you for deciding to do this, because I heard that initially, was there a chance, was there a time jab aapne socha tha ki nahi, this series is not going to happen, but then you became a part of it?
See, I would say that I'm somebody who goes through the entire script.
Ji.
And because Anubhav told me that it's about 200 pages, and I was short on time, so I wondered whether I'll be able to go through those 200 pages before I address the character that is being offered to me. But with God's grace, I managed to go through them. And I was really... But I was really, really impressed with the writing. I felt it was a very taut screenplay and very well-written script, which is why I wanted to be a part of it. And in any case, I have a kind of soft corner for this gentleman. I've worked in a couple of films with him earlier. Even otherwise, he's like a younger brother to me. So once he offered me, he was half apologetic about it. But once I read the screenplay, I thought it was a very good series to be a part of. That's how I landed over there. And when I got to know that these are the actors who are going to be part of it, it was really, as Nasir Saab said, that was a pleasure to be among all of them.
Absolutely, absolutely. अनुभव सर, आपको सौरव गांगुली वाली फीलिंग नहीं आई कभी, जिनकी टीम में सचिन, द्रविड़, सहवाग, वीवीएस, जहीर खान सब भरे पड़े हैं? Almost, because this is just amazing. I haven't seen a project like this before.
I actually, when we were finishing casting, it didn't feel like, once the poster came out, then it, even to me, it looked like, so in the room, I had these 9 or 10 fantastic actors, and I had to, so you're dealing with targets. You have to finish X number of scenes every day. And then you have to, and they're all different kinds of, inki preparations alag hai. So all that energy, and it was something very organic that was going on. And I just was a fly on the wall, and I was just watching them, and मैं बीच-बीच में वो fly उड़ के जाती थी, एक कैमरा लगा के आ जाती थी, फिर दूसरा कैमरा लगा के आ जाती थी. And it was like I was telling somebody the other day, I was this child in the room who was catching butterflies, and they were flying all around me. It's probably the most memorable experience of 31 years of directing, those 6 days. It was outstanding.
Wow, that's a statement. Out of such a long career that you have had, Anubhav, to be actually saying that, it's remarkable. And of course, why not? You've got such amazing stalwarts with you. And आपके बड़े अच्छे मित्र हैं मनोज भाई. मनोज सर, मैं आपके पास आना चाहूँगा.
बिल्कुल मित्र नहीं है.
मनोज सर, एक से एक 30 मार खां जब साथ में आते हैं तो या तो प्रेशर इजी हो जाता है या दुगना हो जाता है. अब आप एक तो परिचित हैं सबसे अच्छे से, इतने सालों से आप इनसे के साथ काम करते आ रहे हैं. Was it easier या उल्टा दुगना पड़ गया था प्रेशर?
नहीं, प्रेशर तो बढ़ ही जाता है, क्योंकि जब ऐसे एक्टर्स साथ में हो तो डांट खाने का खतरा हमेशा बना रहता है.
पढ़ी क्या सीरीज के?
पढ़ जाती.
पढ़ी
नहीं, वो उसको संभाल के, लेकिन पढ़ सकती है, ये आपको हमेशा एहसास रहता है. तो एक नर्वसनेस तो बनी हुई थी.
अरे और कुमुद सर, आप और मनोज सर एक साथ में, मैं जानता हूं, हालांकि मैं आप वरिष्ठ हैं, मैं आपसे बहुत प्रेम करता हूं, पर मैं ये भी जानता हूं आप कितने मस्ती करते हैं बैक स्टेज पे, स्टेज के दौरान भी. लेकिन आप और मनोज भाई एक ही सेट पर अगर हों तो क्या क्या मस्खरियां हुई, मस्खरियां चलती रही, या बड़ा संजीदा काम हुआ है?
नहीं, संजीदा तो नहीं हो सकता है. मनोज भाई साथ में तो दो अलग कहानियां चल रही होती हैं. एक कहानी जो हम लोगों की आपस में चल रही होती है, दूसरी जहाँ कैमरा होता है. तो हाँ,
उसके बारे में चर्चा यहाँ नहीं करेंगे हम.
कई बार ऐसा होता था कि I'm talking to नसीर भाई and पंकज भाई, explaining the scene to them, और पंकज भाई सवाल पूछते हैं और नसीर भाई सुनते रहते हैं, उनकी आंखें ऐसी आर पार जारी होती हैं। पीछे ना ये दो कैरेक्टर खड़े होते थे, ये और
इसीलिए पूछा
और
उनसे।
ये मुझे देख के ना ऐसे मुस्कुराते रहते थे। मजा आ रहा है तुमको?
और बनाओ इंटेंस
मेरे
सिनेमा।
पास उस स्माइल की एक फोटो है, वो मैं बाद में इंस्टाग्राम पे डालूंगा।
Bilkul, we'll wait for that, of course. And I'll come back to each and every one of you once again. Diya ma'am, I'm going to come to you with my next question. You know, media is known as the fourth pillar of democracy. The responsibility that media has to report the truth, not to spread rumors, not to let rumors spread. It is a responsibility. Pun intended. Tell me something, ma'am. Back in 99, that character, what it went through, and the way you have portrayed that character, it is something that a lot of our friends would like to take a leaf out of.
I think what mattered the most to me was Shalini's integrity.
True, ma'am.
And that's evident in the way she responds to the situation, the way it unfolds. And I think it's a dilemma that many of my friends, journalist friends, are dealing with till this day. Many of them who were a part of broadcast channels and newspapers today run their own independent YouTube channels.
Ji.
And I was very intrigued about what that time must have been like for a woman in press and for a woman in power in press. And what was also exciting was the relationship, the Jugalbandi between Nandini and Shalini, their rapport, their exchanges, and the very gentle but important insights that their exchanges bring to the story as it unfolds. And I had a great time. And I think as an artist, it's wonderful to play empowered women, intelligent, thinking, empowered women. And I respect Anubhav Sinha for this very fact, because he's always gotten me to play such women. And it's such a privilege, and I'm so grateful to him and the way that they write women parts.
Yeah, true that, sir. Thank you for doing that. The representation of women in Indian cinema has to, be in hands of people who can really take up the responsibility. Thank you so much, Diya. Vijay, what can I say, my friend? Can I please tell you, I've loved everything that you've done in all these years. आपको मैंने personally जब देखा है, कभी theater के बाहर बातचीत करते हुए, आपको मैं जानता हूँ, मैं आपको देख के पहचान सकता हूँ कि this is Vijay. But the first time the trailer dropped, I swear, bro, initially just didn't land to me that it was you, because I know that it is not a completely different look or something, but something that you did, and it was a completely different person. And on top of that, the character that you played, the captain of that ship, it's based on what he experienced on that particular time. So many projects have you've been a part of, but with this particular series, have you cracked something? There's something that you've found.
First of all, thank you, Mantra, for such warm, lovely words. I think I did, now that I watched it, I am able to feel like कुछ तो ऐसा हुआ था जो शायद मेरे कंट्रोल के बाहर था या मेरे काबू के बाहर था, जो कि हो गया. I think sometimes just there was no real effort to make him sound or look like the real life captain. That wasn't never the intention. He never showed me a picture of young Captain Devi Sharan saying कि हमको ये achieve करना है. In fact, for the entire series, the intention was very clear. We're not recreating any of these, we're not imitating any of these characters. So that brief was also there for Captain. But when I met him and I spoke to him and I understood the nature of him and how soft-spoken and how sincere and dedicated and how much integrity he has, I try to kind of keep that energy with me, and I try to keep the spirit of the person that I met, and somehow maybe in the portrayal it was there and it connected. So I'm just thankful that this happened, and he was capturing it and through the lenses that probably worked, because the camera was always right next to my face on three sides all the time, and there was just green screen in front of me. So
You spent such a long time आप वो cockpit के अंदर ही रहे होंगे, and of course naturally that green screen and everything, there's not much space for you to be actually doing something, but so much you did within that time.
Yeah, but when you have 3 cameras, then all your effort is sometimes just to make sure that you never land up your eye in the lens. And you're in the middle of crisis. Lahore khul gaya. And then I'm like, either camera, shit. So I can't, sorry for the French.
No.
But yeah, I had to, yeah. But as Nasir sab always tells me ki, imagination ka istemal karo. So that came in handy.
True that. And I'm sure there's so much you must have learned being on set with everyone over there. Although, my dear friend Patralekha, the super duper wonderful human being that you are, मुझे पता है कि आपने सीरीज के अंदर इतना एक इंटेंस कैरेक्टर किया है, पर हम ये भी जानते हैं कि आप कितनी फन लविंग है और कट बोलने के बाद क्या हुआ होगा. But being in that, congested space, I heard that by the end of the series that almost जो सांस नहीं आती है, कुछ ऐसी situation बन गई थी आपके साथ. How was that experience of just being locked in there?
So obviously, cut बोलने के बाद तो हम यहाँ पे I couldn't have fun because it is not that kind of a
true
show.
that.
It is intense and the environment is such that sometimes you don't go through such emotions on a daily basis. Sometimes as an actor, it's nice to be in that space. I somehow enjoyed being in that space. I knew it, that it's not a great space to be in, but maza aa raha tha, But coming back to the claustrophobia inside the flight, because there were like some 100-odd junior artists, there were crew people, it was the cabin crew people, plus the camera, plus the EDs. It was hard, but also I felt that the space really helped me. It did something to me, and I think I was there because of the space.
That makes a lot of difference.
Yeah,
I think
it does.
किस किस्म का आप set बना कर रखते हैं, किस किस्म का माहौल बनाते हैं, and kudos to the director for doing that. I'd like to jump to Pooja, my dear friend once again. We've worked together too. Pooja, मैं जानता हूँ कि आपके सीन्स बहुत अलग शूट हो रहे थे, आप एक अलग दुनिया में थी. Maybe you didn't have the support of your co-actors. ये जितने stalwarts यहाँ पे बैठे हैं, I don't think you had this. कई बार होता है when a star batter is playing, another star batter is there, एक दूसरे से support पे खेल जाते हैं. But you held your own in your own space. That one scene when you return back home and you find your husband's suitcase, unpacked suitcase over there. I think it was a very beautiful scene. And Pooja, all these years of what you've done, faced so many cameras, it showed, man.
Thank you so much, Mantra. It means a lot. As much as I would have absolutely loved to have been in the same, sharing the frame with all these wonderful actors, or at least be a fly on the wall when they were, doing their scenes. I was in fact really fortunate that even though I didn't have other co-actors, I had to my advantage the amount of research the Sanjay ji, Sarita ji, Trishant, Anubhav sir, all of them and their team had done. I had that research, I had Sir's interpretation or rather direction of where I was supposed to take that, and as an added advantage, so the real Captain Devi Sharan's real elder daughter's real younger daughter is playing my younger daughter.
Oh, wow,
Yes.
that's a great insight.
So Devi Sharan ji ki beti ki beti is playing one of the daughters. Because of that, she was on set and I could have a conversation. I used to ask her, what was it like? Because she was older than I think she was, the daughter was 10 or 12 years old when this had happened. And I used to ask her, how was it like? How was it like to see your mother? And so I had all those advantages. And then in my preparation, I understood that this is a woman who is a symbol of a vulnerability, but also strength. As much as
you know, she's worried about what is going to happen to her husband and everybody on that flight, but she was also the source of strength for people around her, especially her daughters. So yeah, that was my understanding.
I'm glad, Poojan. Thank you for that insight. And in fact, Sarita ji, Sanjay ji, she mentioned about how the insights you brought in. I would like to talk about the casting, which has been, of course, the stalwarts who have been sitting over here, but Rajiv Thakur to be playing Chief Sahab. And by the way, Rajiv Thakur has sent a lot of love, Anubhav bhai, aapke liye. And he was the first guy. He's a very old friend. हमने बहुत साल साथ काम किया. And he was the first person I called at the end of the series. And I said, Thakur Sahab, यार दिल खुश कर देता है यार. To see, and another thing which I told him is that he's made the fraternity so proud. Generally, people are always नहीं, अरे stand-up comedy, अरे comic या comic, कितनी जल्दी categorize कर देते हैं यहाँ पर. But ठाकुर साहब is an actor. अमृतसर में जिन्होंने रंगमंच कर के इतना समय बिताया. In fact, कपिल पाजी भारती उनके थिएटर देखने जाते थे. And he's been there to cast him in those roles, to see Manoj ji do the negotiator. I mean, of course, Manoj sir has such a wide range, but it's the casting that worked so brilliantly. What kind of thought process that went into it?
So I think any department is a collaborative effort, and the same thing happened here. But it was, of course, led by Mr. Anubhav Sinha. This whole cast came together so beautifully just because of him.
Anubhav sir, in fact, coming to you with the same question, it's nothing that offbeat कोई चीज़ नहीं होती, लेकिन उसके बावजूद एक नज़रिया, अलग नज़रिए से जब audience कुछ देखती है, तो they really enjoy it because they've not really seen something like this. Casting process for you too.
Casting process started when we were writing. So, you know, every time a new character comes up and you know it's of significance, and then Prashant and I would start discussing names. And there were some names that were obvious, you know, if anything I do, I end up calling those X number of names. And we ended up, so we ended up casting everyone, Manoj, Kumud, Diya, Vijay. So Vijay was the first one to be cast actually. Vijay, Arvind, all that happened. And then suddenly these two characters was slowly growing. So in the beginning, they didn't feel like they'll become very significant. But after a point, we figured, no, these are two very significant characters. And then a meeting happened that who plays these two parts.
जी.
So, and then we started thinking of names. हिमाकत सबसे पहले दिमाग में नहीं आई. हिमाकत थोड़ी लेट आई दिमाग में.
जी.
फिर एक दिन ऐसे अलामत सी हुई कुछ के नसीर भाई और पंकज भाई से बात करते हैं. तो मैं पहले नसीर भाई के पास गया, तो नसीर भाई उस दिन अच्छे मूड में थे. तो उन्होंने कहा हाँ ठीक है मैं कर रहा हूँ. मेरी बात खत्म भी नहीं हुई थी अभी. तो मैंने कहा डन. मैं भाग गया. इससे पहले कि
ना बोले.
इससे पहले कि इरादा बदले.
इससे पहले कि पूछे कहाँ किधर कैसे.
फिर इनको फोन किया. बोले नहीं मैंने करूँगा. फिर जो कारण इन्होंने बताया कि इनको पूरा पढ़ना था, पढ़ने का टाइम नहीं था, वो सब था. फिर मैं जोंक हो गया, चिपक गया जाके इनको. फिर इन्होंने पढ़ा, क्या है, ओके करता हूँ. तो ये ऐसा कुछ हुआ, मतलब खेल खेल में ही हो गया. और जब सीएमजी शूट कर रहे थे तो थोड़ा एहसास हुआ था कि यार कमाल है यार, ये क्या बात है. सिंह साहब, सुशांत, आदित्य श्रीवास्तव, दिव्येंदु चैटर्जी, यशपाल शर्मा. यशपाल शर्मा को मैं कभी मिला ही नहीं था पहले. उन्होंने बोल दिया मुकेश को कि हाँ मैं कर रहा हूँ, एक दिन का काम है.
जी.
फिर वो आ गए. दिव्येंदु का नाम लिया ना मैंने. भट्टाचार्य बोला. भट्टाचार्य, दिव्येंदु भट्टाचार्य. तो मैं क्या बोल रहा था. हाँ, तो वो आए. तो वो उनसे मैं सबसे ज्यादा वो था कि वो इस पूरे ग्रुप के साथ भी नहीं थे. उनका अकेले एक कमरे में, छोटे से कमरे में 4 सीन थे. तो आए तो गले वले मिले. तो मैंने गले मिलते हुए उनके कान में बोला कि आई डोंट नो व्हाई यू डूइंग दिस, बट मैं आपका ऋणी हो गया, आपका एहसानमंद हो गया. बोला बस इसीलिए कर रहा हूँ. तो नॉर्मली ये वो एक्टर्स हैं जो बहुत मीठी पार्ट्स करते हैं, पर ये स्क्रिप्ट ऐसी बन पड़ी थी कि जिसमें ऐसा कोई सिंगुलर मीठी पार्ट नहीं था. और to be for an actor हमेशा बेचारा बहुत बेचारा होता है कि उसके हाथ में चीज़ें कम होती हैं, उसको पता नहीं होता कितना बचेगा, कितना शूट होगा, एडिट में कितना रहेगा। तो उसमें एक ट्रस्ट करके इतने सारे लोगों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया, एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी कि एंड ऑफ द डे मैंने अभी तक किसी से शिकायत नहीं सुनी, भले वो यशपाल जी हों या सुशांत हों या दिव्येंदु हों, everyone is happy. So it seems the whole energy as a whole is something that all of them subscribe to. And
Absolutely, and what an ensemble. मेरे ख्याल से ये मंच छोटा पड़ जाता अगर पूरी कास्ट यहाँ पर आ जाती, ये फिर से जिला घोषित करना पड़ता, लेकिन जिससे जगह ही नहीं बचती यहाँ पर. But I'm glad that you guys actually made it. Naseer साहब, I'd like to come back to you. You and Pankaj sir go back a long, long way, and I mean, loads and loads of love and blessings to both of you. Thank you so much for being around and keep doing what you've been doing. शायद आप दोनों भूल गए होंगे आपने कितने सीन्स साथ में काम किए, कितने प्रोजेक्ट्स में साथ में काम किए, but does he still surprise you today when you meet him on set? Pankaj sir, the same question to you too about Naseer sahab.
Always, every time. That's why it is such a joy to work with him, because he's unpredictable.
True.
And you know that this is a person who's thoroughly done his preparation. And I also make it a point to be completely prepared. So it's great fun. It's like playing a set of tennis with somebody who's, you know,
Good old days of Pete Sampras.
yeah,
and Andre Agassi.
absolutely, yeah. Where you envy his game and you also respect it at the same time.
Absolutely, very well.
And there's something else I'd like to add, that the success of IC814 gives a sense of hope to us all, I think. It would be too much of a sweeping statement to say that the audiences have grown up and all that sort of thing. But the success of movies like Anubhav's own Mulk or Thappad or several others, which were unconventional movies and which didn't pander to popular taste. All of them didn't succeed, well-intentioned and well-made though they may have been. But it definitely, it gives us a sense of hope. And the fact that there are so many wonderful actors who are being discovered through OTT is also a fantastic thing.
Absolutely, a natural progression from cinema to OTT. Pankaj saab, same question to you too about Naseer saab.
I think I've heard such lovely, kind words from somebody I admire deeply. And I'm always, when I'm working with him, there's a sixth sense within me which is always ready to learn, to see what he's up to, what new I can learn from him, because that's the kind of respect and sort of awe I hold him in. So he has said some beautiful words for me, and I'm going to relish them for the years that there are left for me. Thank you so much, Naseer, for that.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. And we will continue to relish both of you, inshallah, for a long, long time to come. Thank you so much. Manoj sir, मैं वो नेगोशिएशन वाले सीन से बाहर नहीं निकल पाया हूँ मैं अभी तक के. वहाँ से बाहर नहीं. बात करनी है तो बात करें. हमें भी बात ही करनी. खेल गए सर. वो
थैंक यू मतलब थैंक यू, मतलब मुझे भी पता नहीं था कि इतना अच्छा लगेगा लोगों को, बट जेन्युइनली मैं तो बस कोशिश किया था कि नेगोशिएशन की तरह की जाए, और इससे ज़्यादा क्या बोलूँ मतलब. थैंक यू.
ऐसा है कि पिताजी डांट भी रहे हैं, एक बॉस अथॉरिटी से बात भी कर रहा है, बहुत सारे लेयर्स हैं उसमें.
आ गए होंगे, मतलब मेरे को बोलते हैं. मतलब मैं तो जैसे हमारे गुरुजन हैं, वो लोग जो शिक्षा दी है कि स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ो, स्क्रिप्ट इज द बाइबल, मैं तो वही पढ़ता रहता हूँ, और वही मेरा. बाकी लेयर आ गए, कैसे आ गए, कितने आ गए, वो छोड़ देता हूँ मैं.
ये बेस्ट जादू हो गया, हमें ना पूछो जादू कैसे हुआ. But yes, Vijay, you saying?
My favorite dialogue is he says, क्या करेंगे $200 million का? पाकिस्तानी बोलिए, पाकिस्तान में ही खर्च करेंगे ना.
इनफैक्ट ये जो लिखाई की भी बात हो रही है तुषार, जो इतने सारे लेयर्स आपके इतने सारे ट्रैक्स चल रहे हैं टू बी एबल, कितने ड्राफ्ट्स बने भाई इस प्रोजेक्ट की शुरुआत में?
इस सवाल का जवाब हम नहीं देंगे. कितने एडिट ड्राफ्ट और कितने राइटिंग ड्राफ्ट, उसका जवाब नहीं.
मतलब किस ईयर में, मतलब मैं ये तब तो शायद किताबें लिखी जा रही थी, पर हर साल के अपने सेट ऑफ ड्राफ्ट्स रहे हैं. बट ये लास्ट सेट ऑफ ड्राफ्ट्स था जो मैंने और अनुभव सर ने साथ में बैठ के लिखा. तो उसके भी पता नहीं कितने, हर रोज़ मतलब शूट हो रहा होता था, और ये जो सीन्स हैं वो हम बैठ के इम्प्रोवाइज वहाँ भी लिखाई हो रही थी. तो लिखाई आई थिंक शूट ख़त्म होने के दिन तक चली है. तो हर दिन की बैठे हैं कुछ एक उसमें. और फिर सर के साथ काम करने का एक फ़ायदा ये है कि हर बार सीन आपके पास है, उसमें थोड़ा सा कुछ ये कर देते हैं, थोड़ा सा कुछ वो कर देते हैं. क्योंकि हमारे पास इतने सारे ही ग्रेट एक्टर्स थे, तो वो लिखाई करने में मज़ा भी आया. वो एग्जॉस्टिंग भी थी, वो एक्सिलरेटिंग भी थी, पर ड्राफ्ट्स याद नहीं रखने
अब
चाहिए.
याद भी नहीं किया. कुमुद सर, इतने सारे सीक्वेंसेस हुए, व्हिच वन वाज योर फेवरेट पार्ट? और फेवरेट पार्ट तो नहीं पूछना चाहिए, लेकिन कौन से सीक्वेंसेस, कौन से सीन वर्क्स किसके साथ में जो आपको याद रह गया, समथिंग दैट विल स्टे बैक विथ यू, मोस्ट मेमोरेबल फॉर दिस सीरीज?
मतलब कोई एक कहना तो
मुश्किल है.
बहुत मुश्किल है. मनोज भाई का वो नेगोशिएशन का जो पहला
Negotiation.
डायलॉग जब आया था, तो
आपका, अरविंद सर का और मनोज सर का वो पर्टिकुलर सीक्वेंस, बिना कुछ कहे कह जाने वाला, जब मनोज सर आके बोलते हैं मैं जाके बात करता हूँ, अरविंद सर आपसे बोलते हैं नहीं, एंड यू जस्ट से बात
जी,
कर, है ना?
जी. अब उसके बारे में मैं क्या कहूँ. हाँ, मतलब अच्छा था.
बहुत सुंदर रहा. एंड अब चाय कॉफी की तो बात ही नहीं करेंगे मनोज सर, वो फिर चर्चा फिर बाद में चलती रहेगी इस चीज की. लेकिन इफ आई कम बैक टू विजय, टू यू, Patulekha, to you too, there are roles, there are characters that change you as a performer because you live through some things. And if, of course, there is so much that has already happened. Do you think that happens with actors when they go through characters that, you know, leave back something with you? And were your characters in this series the same? Patra? Any transformations?
I mean, nothing that, you know, that you actively try to catch on to or remember, but it does its own thing. I think also stories come to you at a certain point in your life when you're ready for them. Or sometimes stories get you ready for something. So, but these things are so invisible. It's really like too philosophical to kind of make sense of it.
True, sir.
But I was deeply happy that Captain Devisharan enjoyed the work. He called in and gave me a pat on the back. And also Mrs. Sharan, उन्होंने बोला कि I know this man more than he knows himself, and I can tell you that you've come very close to him. So that was
the biggest compliment that could come to you.
I think there was some responsibility that I didn't really understand when I was doing it, but when I heard it, I felt like शायद मेरी कोई responsibility थी जो मैंने ठीक से कर दी.
Patra?
Well, it did take a toll on the physical health because I told you, and plus it was last year during the rains we were shooting. And again, I'm coming back to the fact that we were like some 100-odd crew people inside the flight, and somebody got some fever, and then it just went on with, we all got down with fever. Anubhav sir was shooting with a 102-degree fever. But the show went on, and I didn't realize what took a toll on me. After finishing the shoot that same night, I was taking a flight to somewhere else for some other shoot. And I didn't realize that what the shoot had done, There's a point in the series where the toilet is overflowing, and, my brilliant co-actor who did such a fine job, Aditi, she was inside the toilet and she was cleaning it up. And I don't know, somehow Anubhav sir created this mahol. We could literally smell the stench. All that actually left a toll, and it took some time for me to get rid of the thoughts.
Wow. It's been an intense series, but at the same time, there were so many moments where you almost felt as if you were living with these characters in there. Thank you so much, Kaptan Sahab, for leading this team so beautifully well. Each and every member of this cast has not only delivered an absolutely at par performance, but also there is something beyond which I don't think we can ever put it in words. Once again, thank you so much, my dear friends, my seniors, people who I love and respect a lot for being here and for delivering such an amazing performance. And we will go towards the photo op right now. Unfortunately, we won't be taking up any questions, my dear friends. We've all... Gigi, of course. I'm extremely sorry, sir, but unfortunately, we've been given a clear direction towards this that we won't be able... Anubhav, sir, would you...
कौन आप लगा रहे हैं आरोप?
We can't be, unfortunately. Anubhav, sir. That statement has been declared.
हाँ शांति से बात।
Cool. Anubhav, sir,
ये
you don't
सवाल
have...
आपका है? नहीं 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 नहीं, ये जो सवाल आपने पूछा, क्या सब वो आप फिर आरोप बताइए आपके आपके आपने सीरीज देखी है? आपने सीरीज देखी है? 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 मैं बात नहीं कर सकता आपसे, आपने सीरीज ही नहीं देखी है।
Okay. Once again, thank you so much, my dear friends. And guys, we have a wonderful session for photo op. Thank you so much for asking that question. We would like to thank Netflix India for actually relaying such a wonderful series for us. Thank you very much for joining us, ladies and gentlemen.